Updating the YouTube app on your LG Smart TV helps fix bugs and improve performance. It also ensures you get the latest features available. Start by turning on your LG Smart TV. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Now pick up your remote control. Press the home button to open the main menu. You will see the LG WebOS interface. Navigate through the apps using the arrow buttons. Look for the LG Content Store. Select it to open the App Store. Once inside, go to the search option. Type YouTube using the on-screen keyboard. Select the YouTube app from the search results. This will open the app details page. If an update is available, you will see an update button. Click the update button to begin. The download process will start automatically. You will see a progress bar on the screen. Wait while the app downloads and installs. Do not turn off your TV during this process. Once completed, you will see an update confirmation. Now, open the YouTube app. The updated version should load properly. You may notice improved performance. If the update option is not available, check System Updates. Go back to the TV Settings menu. Open the General Settings section. Look for the System or About TV option. Select Check for Updates. If an update is available, install it. System updates can fix app-related issues. After updating, your TV may restart. Once it turns back on, open YouTube again. Your app should now be fully updated and working smoothly.